Hey Team Renegade, I have an exclusive sneak peek for you guys this week. I know I haven't done one of these in a while. Have been trying to give you guys videos early, but I thought since I wasn't able to do that for a while, we would get a sneak peek. And I don't know if you guys remember, I'm trying to keep the camera still. I don't know if you guys remember, but I told you guys a while back that I had this walk-in closet that was just serving as a catch-all. It's in the downstairs of my house, next to the master bedroom that actually is being used as a guest room and a playroom for the kids. So the master closet was just being used as like simply a catch-all. So this is the closet. I spent last week blood, sweat, and tears literally because 14 years ago when we moved into our house, we had somebody come in and open it up. So right there, connecting that wall to there used to be a wall and a door, and I guess that was supposed to be the woman's closet. This right here was supposed to be the man's closet. It had a little short wall here and bifold doors there, and then this had a desk here, and it was, I guess, the dressing table or the makeup table or whatever. We had it opened up and we had him do the walls and tape and float, but we didn't have him sand, prime, and paint. And that was our bad. We should not have done that because it's taken that many years, and now my husband's gone and I had to do it by myself. These are the moments that I really, get frustrated, but you guys know that I'm not going to let anything stop me. So I just kind of pushed out everything in the world, including the channel, for 3 days and got this done. And so I wanted to share it with you guys because it is now my upcycle and sewing storage closet. So it's basically my own little store here, my own little thrift store. That's crazy. But yeah, so since this had this light, actually this light fixture is new. There we go. The light fixture is new. I really, really like it. It's so pretty, and it has the big bulbs. I ordered the big bulbs for it. I do need a plate behind it because the other light was bigger. But anyway, and then I got this mirror from Walmart, no less. I was looking at mirrors, and the mirrors on different sites are only 65 inches. I'm 65 inches. I wanted the mirror taller than me. So now you can see it is a little bit taller than me. It's 70 inches. But yeah, just felt like it would go better in the space. And actually it was cheaper at Walmart than a lot of places. So I was able to find that. I installed the flooring myself. This is what do you call this? Not laminate, not rubber. Kind of like rubber, but it has this really cool finish. It's almost like cork or bamboo. It has almost like a bamboo finish, but it's just a glue down. So it was super simple. I did the trim myself, and that was not as easy, but I had to sand, prime, paint, add the floor, and then do the trim. So then add lighting. I am getting a new light. It's gonna be so pretty. Let's see if you guys can. This is the light fixture that's going there. It's not going to be so long. It's adjustable, but it's going to match the other one. And yeah, it's going to be right there. So it's going to be so pretty. I found it. It has the pull chain. So, I have to have a pull chain light there. So it has a pull chain. So I was happy to find that. So let's talk about how I'm organizing everything. Up at the top, you'll see these buckets here. I got those from IKEA. Those are my upcycle stash, basically, and each one has something different. So it might have light denim, dark denim, whole jeans, and then denim pieces, dress shirts, what else, pants, just t-shirts, different things like that. And then right here I have all of my all of my upcycles that are kind of like my go-to for different videos. So yeah, I use these I can use this closet to come and get dressed for the lookbook portion of my videos. Even, you know, like the peplum belt that I wear in so many videos. So yeah, I am super excited about this. And then these are some things that I probably should sell. Things that I've made for different sizes. So like this was the plus size of the Ivy Park Adidas, you know, blazer coat with the backpack straps. And I actually made these a long time ago when I made that video. That is the classic top, the one that's sleeveless that I wear all the time, like this one. And I have one that's too small for me, and the black one is a plus size. But yeah, stuff like that I probably should list to sale. So now they're visually, I can see them. So when I get a chance, I can go ahead and do that. This is the Blueprint signature stock room. So now I have all my stuff in this closet. It's protected from house smells. That was one of my biggest concerns. I didn't want to send anybody anything that smells like, you know, somebody's kid's been cooking chicken nuggets. So yeah, it's protected in here. So I'm super excited about that. And then the light fixture is actually right here. I haven't put it up yet, but I have some shelves for different things. These are 2 purses that I've made on the channel, and then that's just one of the purses that I really like. And then, you know, extra hangers and different things like that. I think I'm going to fold up some other t-shirts and stuff and put them right there. But down here on the floor, if you guys can see it, in the black tubs is things that I haven't washed yet. And so I'm actually going to use my my silhouette to make labels for everything, and I have tops for everything as well. I just haven't put the tops on them because I haven't labeled them yet, so I want to remember what's in them. But those are things that I can just wash in the washing machine, and those are things that I need to dry clean. And you guys, if you haven't seen, I do have a dry clean at home video. And then these are all things that I just have hanging that are things that I want to upcycle. So yes, this, like I said, literally it is my thrift store at home. It is the Blueprint DIY thrift store. So yeah, I'm super so happy to have gotten it done. I'm going to do a video on down there. I just have some shoes that I wear in videos a lot. But I'm going to do a video about how, you know, you guys had suggested I do a video about how to organize your sewing stuff, your thrift stash, and different things like that. So I think I'm going to do a combination video, not just about this room, but about how I store everything for sewing and for upcycling. So that'll be coming out hopefully at the beginning of the year. But yes, I'm super excited to have it. Thank you guys so much for being patient. I hope that you enjoy this video and it gives you some ideas on maybe how you can store your stuff. You know, I know a lot of people don't have the amount of space that I have. I just keep taking rooms and taking rooms and taking rooms. And somebody said, like, if I took rooms, my mom would put me at the house. And you're absolutely right. If it's not your house, you can't take rooms. But for me, you know, this is what I have, but I know that some things like this, like just getting containers, labeling them, maybe separating them by kind of what they are, is maybe a good solution for some of you. So I hope it's helpful. So yes, thank you guys so much for being members on this channel. I appreciate you guys so much. You lift the load a lot, and I'm so grateful for you. So you guys have a happy holidays, and I am so much looking forward to the amazing things in the new year. See you next time.